Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. I know it's been a while, and I'm not going to get into all the ins and outs, but there's been a lot going on, and I just need to get to a point now where I can clear the decks. So what I'm doing is I'm giving all my tools away. I'll probably keep a small toolkit to keep myself busy over the years and to teach. But it's just too much for me. And I've got stuff in 5 buildings. It's all over the place. And saving it for whom, for when, I have no idea. And I don't want to leave this mess for future generations to have to deal with. So, I'm coming to you to ask for your help. And to reward you at the same time. I want to continue doing the videos. I want to continue sharing knowledge, answering questions on sharpening, tools, use, wood. Gosh, any questions on wood, please put them in the comment section. But that's all up to you. You have to tell me what you want to know. I did 150 plus videos last year. And a lot of great stuff, a lot of great content, a lot of good information, raw footage, no editing, okay? And you get me the way I am, you get me warts and all, that's it, the way it comes. But at this point I need to start giving away tools because I've tried everything. I've tried dealers, I've tried auctioneers, I've invited people to come, nobody comes. I've tried eBay and I lost money last year like you wouldn't believe, selling really good, excellent tools. So, we're going to start out by testing this system, okay? And the only way this is going to work is it's up to you. And what we need is patrons of the channel, okay? So I can't just put these things in the mail to people at my expense because the money just isn't there. It's just not there. When you work for yourself for the number of years I have, there's no help for you anywhere. There's no money, okay? There's nothing, all right? So, we're going to give them away. We're going to use Patreon. We're going to use PayPal. We're going to use post mail, checks, money orders. I don't care. All the information will be in the description box. My address, mailing address will be in there. The email address for PayPal will be in there, and the link for Patreon will be in there. So to start off, we're going to start off small. You'll have a 20% chance of getting a tool if you're a patron. The first 5 patrons, I will give this W. Butcher Mortice Chisel away. And it needs to have the handle either restored or replaced. It's an oval handle, it is tapered, and you have to shape it to the bolster. This has all been cleaned and honed, and it's sharp. You can touch it up again yourself when you get it. So that'll be the first tool to go out to one of the first 5 patrons, and I can only ship these, very important, listen about this. I can only ship these in the United States of America. After the first 5, when we reach 10, I will pick another person to get this KK6. This has not been restored. It is in as-found condition. I don't even know enough about the KK6s, and all I did was clean the sole, sharpen the blade, and it does work. But it also looks cool if you just want to keep it the way it is. It does need some repair to the tote, and I think these were mahogany. I'm not sure. So that's how that's going to work. If you're a patron of the channel, you're helping me out, I'm going to give tools away. From there, we go on to more and more tools. I'm not going to get into all of them, but there's some pretty nice darn tools. And then we're going to start going shelf by shelf, box by box. There's tools, there's bits, there's hardware, there's all sorts of things. And if you want to help in other ways and you live near me in northern Pennsylvania, contact me. I'm going to be doing something with all my wood too. Tons and tons of wood and hardware, finishing supplies. Right now, you may notice by some of my other videos, I'm working with a company by the name of Colt Tools, and they want to bring in the Stratos lathe to the United States big time. And so I'm helping them out with some information on that. So that kind of took up a lot of my time. I've turned over 200 bowls in 2 months. But that's their lathe, and eventually I'm sure they're going to come and get it and take it to a show or something like that. So I just want to get to the point where I can breathe easy, knowing that the tools have found new homes and that I didn't end up having to sell the farm to ship them out. So, hey, listen, that's about it for today. If you like and share this with other people, they'll learn about the tool giveaway. And it's always good to subscribe because I want to do more teaching videos. I want to answer your questions. So that's about it. Only thing left to do is head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.